We're here, brother. You're on the ice. The net's sunk. Sunk hard. Big fish, maybe? Or a caiman. Be careful how you approach it.
Heavy. This is impossibly heavy. Slowly.
Pull both sides. Don't fight it yet. Hold firm. Whatever it is, we lift it now. It's not debris, Kael. It's moving. Damn it. Damn it. Hold the line. Don't let go, Roca. Kael, that's a river monster. We have to cut it loose. Too late, Roca. It's tangled deep. If we cut it now, it comes straight for us. Hold firm. We need space. Kael, look, it's not alone. There's a small thing, an opossum. It was hunting. The net caught both of them. It's still squeezing it. Anaconda. It's an anaconda. Ruin. Months of work. Gone. Kill it. We take the skin. It's worth more than the fish we would have caught. Hold the line steady, Roca. Do not let it pull us over. It ruined us. This is what we take back. Stop! Don't do it! Look at it, Kael. It's not hunting us, it's only scared. It's trapped, just like we are. Scared or not, it can kill us and it took our living. We don't have the luxury of pity, Roca. Move! You want to cut the net now, while it's still thrashing? If that head gets loose, even for a second, we're dead. It is right there, Roca. We wait until it gives up. It has to tire itself out first.
It gave up the fight. It's exhausted. We try to free it. We don't kill it.
Do nice. What do I need to do?
That pole is too long, Kael. We won't have the leverage.
Leverage means getting close. Getting close means death.
Roca, listen. When I move, the boat cannot move. You hold this boat steady, absolutely steady, no matter what. Hold still. Don't shift weight. Don't kill it, brother. Promise me. Just cut the line and leave. Hold steady. Hold steady, hold steady, Roca. Look! Anaconda! Hiss! Now! Keep it steady. Don't stop. Don't look down.
It's gone. We're alive. We made it. I thought we were done.
Stay still. We need to lighten this load before we move.
I am truly sorry, Kael, for the net. We lost everything. It was expensive.
Wait. There is something else. We lost the net. But we are not going home empty-handed.
Let's move, Roca. Start paddling.
Yes, brother.
We still have to weave another net.